So now let's construct a truth table for not P and Q. Okay, so first thing you need to do is look at what letters you need. You need a P, you need a Q. So you're going to put those down. Anything in a parenthesis needs its own column. Okay, so this is going to need its own column, P and Q. And then the final column, I like to go ahead and set them all up first. I need a P, I need a Q. P and Q is in parentheses, so I need its own column. And then the final column is going to be not P and Q. So this last column is my answer. So I set up my P, true, true, false, false. I set up my Q, true, false, true, false. Now it's and. One and the other have to be true. Okay? So here I get a true, and all of these are false. Now I want to do the not P and Q. So if this is true, it turns to false. If all of these are false, they turn to true. So my answer would be false, true, true, true. And down here it does say, is this a tautology? A tautology is when all of your answers are true. So if this had been true, we would have a tautology. But since there's a false in it, we do not have a tautology. Let's look at another one. On this one, they didn't have it in the slides, so y'all going to have to put up with my bad handwriting. I always start with P and Q, okay? So I need a P, I need a Q. I also need a not P, and I need a not Q. So far I've got 4 columns. Then I want to do not P or not Q. Okay, so I know I can't draw straight lines, but let's do the best we can here. Okay, so we know that P goes true, true, false, false. Q goes true, false, true, false. Not P, that's the opposite of P. So it's going to be false, false, true, true, and not Q is the opposite of Q. So false, true, false, true. Now we're ready. Okay, so we want to look at the not P column, that's this one, or not Q. Okay, so we're looking at these 2 columns that I have red dots above, all right? And it is or. You get a different color in case some of you can't see red. It is or. So is one or the other true? Nope, that's false. Is one or the other true? Yes, one of them is. So I'm going to get a true there. Here, one or the other true? Yes, that's true. And here, is one or the other true? Yes, that would be true. So my final column, my final answer would be false, true, true, true. Also not a tautology because I do have one answer that's false.